So I was assigned to the task. Let me see. Okay. So how to do machine pawning? So whenever I've done this machine recently, as you can see, I also submitted all the text files. So the method first you have to connect, and I had done it. There you can see via the OpenVPN, and initialization sequence completed and verify. Verified is okay. So we have connected, and then I get a IP. So after reaching the IP, I had done a basic nmap scans, and the switches are SB, which is used for service version detection, and SC is for normal script detection. Here I can which nmap scanning should apply. So the answer will be dash SC, which service version is found, and there it is BS FTPD 3.0.3.0.3, and what FTP code is written for the so anonymous FTP login. So whenever I see the result FTP stats, FTP connected, login, we can log in as no session bandwidth limit, and main important thing is anonymous FTP login allowed, which is FTP code 230. So what FTP code it is, answer will be 230. There you can see. Let me also see answers if you want to see. Let's see. Yes. What command we can use to download files on the FTP server? The command will be get. So whenever I thought is anonymous login allowed, then I had FTP user anonymous 230 login successful. Remote system binary type is Unix. So I had a list command, and I found two directories here. Is allowed user list and allowed user list password. So I searched for the other directories also, but it is only that directory present here, remote directory. So none other directory is present. So I used get command, get user list, which I had the followed list here, allowed list and allowed user list. Both command will be get, and there is rows. So I had downloaded both, and after downloading, I opened the file with a text file and see some sort of users and password list is there. I thought there will be a. Also, we forget to mention that there is an port 80 running, which is Apache HTTPD server 2.4.41, which is meant as an open server, that kind of server running. After that, I used to enumerate with a GoBuster tool. Also, at the same time, I used Tailbuster tools for more fasting method. And there is a question related to that switch. Which version of the Apache HTTP server is running on the targeted host? I had a tool installed called Vapalizer. Here I can see. Uh, I had also that the machine has been terminated, so I can't see you actually. But there is a server running called Apache HTTP server, which I showed you previously at 2.4.41. So answer will be 2.4.41. What is the handy website analysis? That tool I said, Vapalizer. Answer is also there, Vapalizer. Which switch can you use a GoBuster to specify and looking for the specific file types? So the main thing is here that we got on a machine, we got on a login page, but what we can do with the user lists and the password? So there must sort of brute forcing method will be involved, but due the list is too short, we can manually do it, and the GoBuster tool helps us to find even a hidden directories. So we found this kind of assets, CSS, JavaScript. They are basically website making building tools. There is no use of that. In that case, we found an interesting page, that is login.php. The login page, we can use this. After hit and try, I found the last admin, which is higher level privileged, and the password is it. I logged in with that password and found last flag here, where you can see the first answer is login.php, and the root flag is that. After login, I get the first in that here. So this is a classic model of machine, and here you can see crocodile. The machine has been named, has been bound. Username encrypted as successful prompt on the box. Date 9th May 2021, which is today. So there it is, a standard warning method. Okay, goodbye.